So if you're trying to use something beneficial, whatever exercise is the most difficult for them, if your horse acts up on the trail and gets negative, do whatever exercise they are the worst at. Practice is controlled failure, and if they're bad at it, you want to practice it as often as possible. Also, if they're bad at it and you're trying to make them do it, it's really going to engage their mind and they're really going to have to try hard. So I realize that you have negative attitudes on the trail with some of your horses. Go back to the fundamentals and fix it. Make that horse respect you and give you your undivided attention, and all those other problems, they're going to melt away. And all of a sudden you're going to look up one day and say, wow, I have an amazing horse. He just does whatever I want. He's the kind of horse that I love. That's what I need you guys to do. Thank you so much for watching our trail series, and I'll see you on the next video.